Hey everyone, welcome back to RemoteSensingPro. In this video, I will show you how to download and install QGIS. So I'm going to use Google. You can use any browser of your choice. Go ahead to search for QGIS, and then go to the first one right here and the second one below here, which is download. Click on download. And so here you have a place for you to either donate or skip and go to the download. So if you've got some money, you can go ahead to donate. If not, just keep it and go to download. All right, so we've got the download interface right here. This is for Windows. There are also versions of QGIS available on other platforms. These are all here. You can just click on them to download. Today we're going to download for Windows. So we have the long-term version for Windows, which is 3.40 the time of this video. We also have the latest version for Windows, which is 3.44. Usually I go for the long-term version, so I'm going to just download this. So if you want the long-term version, just go ahead to click on this one here, and then it will start downloading. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Now, to install QGIS, you just open the download folder where you downloaded the file and double click. That starts the setup wizard. So here we go. Let's click next and also accept the license. Then click next. I will keep the default installation folder. If you want to change, click on the change to get a different folder for your installation. You can also leave this checked or unchecked, depending on what you want. Then click next. Now hit install. Once you click install, it will start installing, and you can wait for a few seconds as it installs. After installation, you click finish. Now let's open QGIS from the start menu. So here you can see we've just installed the QGIS long-term version 3.40. So click on it to open. And here it is, the QGIS interface ready for us to start working with geospatial data, remote sensing, and GIS data. And that's how you download and install QGIS. In the next tutorial, we will use QGIS to open and display our satellite imagery. We're going to use the Sentinel-2 imagery we downloaded last. Check out our last tutorial on how to download Sentinel-2 imagery. Also, if you want to see how to process satellite data in Python instead, I have a separate tutorial for that, and link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.